After watching this quick tutorial, you can easily fix Samsung account keeps stopping or Samsung account has stop problem of your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Open it. Tap here. Enable show system apps. Tap OK. Now search for Samsung account. Tap Samsung account. Tap force stop. Tap OK. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. If your clear data is clickable, then click on clear data, then delete or clear your all data. Move back. Tap on permissions. Allow all the permissions one by one. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then go to the Galaxy store. Search for Samsung account. If there is any update available for your Samsung account application, then you need to update the application from here. Once it's completed, you need to restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. In my case, there is no update available. That's it. Thanks for watching.